In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send documents and get signatures inside GoHighLevel. This powerful platform provides an efficient and effective way to manage documents and obtain signatures, ensuring smoother transactions and clearer communication with your clients. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make the most out of GoHighLevel's documents and contracts feature. The first thing you need to do is navigate within GoHighLevel to either the Payments or Documents section. Depending on the version of GoHighLevel you have, the location might vary slightly, but you'll be looking for the Documents and Contracts area. Once there, you'll want to click on the option that allows you to create a document or a new contract. This is where you'll start building your client agreements, and it's a critical foundation step because having a well-organized document can significantly enhance your business processes. Next, it's time to craft your document. GoHighLevel provides the flexibility to create various types of documents such as contracts, agreements, proposals, quotes, and service agreements. Think about what kind of document you're preparing and what details need to be included. Be sure to add key elements such as your client's name, the services you're providing, the pricing details, and any terms and conditions that must be laid out clearly. One of the great features about this process is the ability to use custom values. For instance, by incorporating placeholders like contact.name and contact.email, GoHighLevel can automatically fill in the client's details, saving you time and reducing the chance of manual errors. This automation makes your documents look professional and personalized for each client. Once your document is structured and the necessary details are input, it's crucial to include signature fields. Drag and drop essential elements like the signature element, the date field, and the initials field into your document. These elements are vital because they formalize the agreement and ensure that everything is properly authenticated. Plus, it's important to mark these fields as required. This means the client will not be able to submit the document without filling in these areas, ensuring that all necessary legal acknowledgments are met. By setting these fields as mandatory, you're effectively reinforcing the importance of signature verification, which can protect both you and your client legally. This process might seem complex, but taking these steps ensures that all parties understand their commitments clearly and have acknowledged them in writing. Documenting these transactions with signatures can alleviate potential disputes and provide a trustworthy way to manage your agreements. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently send documents and obtain signatures within GoHighLevel, making your business operations more streamlined. I hope this guide helps you utilize GoHighLevel to its full potential. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.